The larger soil particles are suspended in a clay matrix and have little effect on the properties of the soil mass. Now briefly I will discuss the clay minerals. The clay minerals are basically composed of tiny crystalline substances of one or more members of a small group of minerals, commonly known as clay minerals. These clay minerals are evolved mainly from the chemical weathering of certain rock forming minerals. Chemically, these minerals are hydrous aluminosilicate with other metallic ions. Their particles are very small in size, very flaky in shape, and thus have considerable surface area. They can only be viewed with an electron microscope. The clay minerals, on the basis of their crystalline arrangement, can be divided into three main groups. It is observed that more or less similar engineering properties are exhibited by all clay minerals belonging to a particular group. Then, what are the groups? The kaolin group. Under kaolin group, there are two types of minerals, kaolinite and halloysite. Under montmorillonite group, montmorillonite is there. Then under illite group, illite is there. Atomic bonds. The chemical elements of the rock forming minerals are composed of atoms, the ultimate units with discrete chemical identity. The basic concepts concerning atomic structure are fairly well known. Atoms unite together to form molecules, and molecules with other molecules to build up the structure of substances. The forces binding them together are primarily of electrical nature, and it is necessary to know about them before the behavior of the clay particles and the aggregate of these particles. There are two main groups of atomic bonds, primary of high energy bonds which hold the atoms together, and secondary bond of weak bonds with link molecules. Then we can discuss now the structure of minerals. A large majority of clay that are present in nature are made up of only a few minerals, which again can conveniently be grouped as already discussed. Since the engineering properties of the minerals in a group are roughly the same, and examination of the crystal structure of typical clay minerals in these groups will provide a useful insight into the basic engineering behavior of the clays themselves. The flakes or platelets of a clay soil consist of many crystal sheets which have a repeating atomic structure. The atomic structures of clay minerals are built of two fundamental crystal sheets, the tetrahedral or silica sheet and the octahedral or alumina sheet. It is only the mode of stacking of these sheets, the nature of bonding forces and the different metallic ions in the crystal lattice that go to make different clay minerals. Thank you. The larger soil particles